to Thai cooking school. I'm here in Sydney, Australia. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to buy Thai ingredients in Vietnamese groceries or any other Asian grocery. So let's have a look. This is Thai eggplants that we put in our curry. See? Yeah, beautiful. You can eat these rolls as well. Oh my god, look at the size. This is beautiful Thai ginger or galangal. You can buy the whole things and slice it and freeze well. That's a galangal. That is the older one. So you want to get this pinky looking better. They even have tamarind, fresh tamarind. Now pork loin. What else we have? Look at these beautiful Mongory or water spinach. And we are in winter here in Sydney, Australia. Beautiful coriander or cilantro. See, you can get the roots, and most of the time you chuck the roots away. You can freeze the roots as well. Thai sweet basil, some meat. They even have green mangoes. Bamboo shoots, nice fresh one. These little onions, red onions. You can use either one, it doesn't really matter. Look what I've got. Palm sugar. Don't buy the one in a container like this. In a jar like this, it's really hard to use. Better to buy the one in a package. Oh, this one. It's easier to use. I can't live without green papaya, yeah? So, papaya salad, there you go. It's not too big, it's not too small. Perfect size. All the spices. Got pineapples here too. Fresh coconut juice.
We have a not.
And this one. And this one. This one still have.
Can I give you one more?
Now tamarind juice. A lot of people ask me about tamarind. Next time I will do a separate video about tamarind. But tamarind juice here, often they call it tamarind concentrate. It's the same thing. Okay? Or tamarind puree. It's the same thing. Either one, because they're all gonna taste different. Different brand, they taste different. beautiful galangal like this. It's quite nice too. But this another hard to find.
Yeah.
You call it grachai in Thai, yeah? But in English you call it finger roots. You can buy the whole one like this, or the one that's already slices. I do both. I like both, so I buy both most of the time. It's beautiful. Finger roots we put in a few of our cooking. You see, soy sauce is here,
The big one enough.
so you can get all the Thai ingredients here in Vietnamese. Okay, that is the normal Thai steamed rice. So if you can tell, the kind of not really white, that is the Thai sticky rice. So there's like white, it's really white. And can you tell the difference? See? So they might call it Thai sweet rice or Thai glutinous rice. So if you want to make sticky rice, you have to find this one, yeah? Because you can't make sticky rice out of this normal Thai rice. Thai jasmine rice. You cannot make sticky rice from this one. You have to buy this one, yeah?